put money in your business before I buy it.
Where the check at? Shorty on me.
Okay, because like, if I continue to struggle with hi vlog, I will be there.
She's super late. She's always late. I'm always on time. Should I do a scare cam? I think I should do a scare cam. Hello.
Look, that was so mean.
Legit?
Got me.
Let's get the fit check real quick.
Normally I don't scream that loud. Alright, fit check. I have a one-piece jumpsuit on, white bag, and then I just have these tan wedges on.
Nice, nice, nice. Toes did.
Toes did for sure.
Vibe. Hit my fit check real quick. First time you're using the camera. Okay. Right now we in 4K. We ain't doing no little digi anymore, but this is my fit for today. Shout out Purgatory for the jumper. Little knitted jumper. Got it like nice and cheap, button up, like white tee underneath. Little light blue, you know, you feel me? Little tie. Dickies, you already know, A7IV, and then the Jordan 4s. Baby blue, you know the deal.
Show me those rings.
I only got one ring on right now, but I'm gonna switch it up. And then yeah, that's just enough. Yeah. Say what's going on. What's this special occasion? Why are you vlogging?
It's my flan's birthday! Happy birthday, Lara! So we're gonna go eat good food and celebrate her. Yay! 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 Yay!
I'm not really too surprised. I'm on my shit, I had to grind 100 times. Heating up, I'm hot as the summertime. I'm on my shit, I had to grind 100 times. Heating up, I'm hot as the summertime. I get cash, I drive fast, I smoke gas.
The B-Day girl.
I had a dream, I was dipping down Broadway, I was in the Rari. She like, why you never call me, baby, I'm sorry.
How's your meal? So good. We're gonna continue this weekend vlog.
Highly recommend coming to Tokyo Tina.
You know the vibes.
See you at the beach tonight.
Yes, sir. Let's do it. What's good? We about to go to the beach. Get our essentials. Slip, slop, sloppy from Australia. You already know the deal. We packed the essentials. Got my camera case. Some my little bits and pieces. Side bag. And my mini tripod. Where are we headed to today?
Half Moon Bay, probably.
So update, we're about to go get a smoothie real quick for the row. Pulling up with my girl at Cafe Court. She's the homie.
Hello. How are you?
Sorry?
Do you want mango?
Yeah.
2 mango smoothies and an almond croissant and a chocolate croissant, please.
If you never had an almond croissant, you're sleeping. Fire.
I'm team chocolate croissant.
Loaded you wagon and Benz, eh?
I know this shit for real. I know this shit look obvious. I know this shit for real. Show me how you move off a wheel. Just tryna make it him off a sale. Show you in a new way for real. Fuck me good while I'm here. Just to watch how you drive. We got straps.
Oh, look at the shipwreck.
Yeah, that is here too.
People out here today. Beautiful. More of that shipwreck over here. It's kind of cool. Easy workout right now.
Throw that big piece of seaweed away because that's where I want to sit. I love the beach.
Girl, you know I got a couple issues, but I'll wait in the cold for you. 'Cause it's not so complicated.
Look at this jellyfish. He look like bro off Shark Tale. Oh, that's disgusting. Ew.
Palm trees, chilling by the beach with a little freak.
This is a hot
but
food
only
day.
for the week. I
Near
said
Blackrock
it's
Beach,
palm
but it's so
trees,
beautiful.
chilling by the beach with a little freak.
Alright, so now we're gonna go exploring the rocks for a little bit. Let's do it.
Sweet tooth, need a little cheesecake. Seeing your boy's front page of the newspaper. Hit you up when I get them digits. Then we could text back and forth like we was playing tennis. Man, I'm such a menace. Have to brag and tell the homie soon as I hit it. Hit the keys to the whip. Go and have fun, but don't crash my shit. Lit, fast fly shit. Loose as a goose, but I got a tight grip on it.
Girl, you know I got a couple problems.
So, Renee's a pussy and she's not gonna get in the water, so I guess I'll do it myself.
I will get in the water.
What a beautiful sunny day. Oh my God. What happened to the sun?
Easy, white chocolate. I wouldn't want you to melt.
Do you know what time it is? Had to make that play to get out of there. Low keep it 10 weeks, I just stack fast.
Ahoy there.
Stayed down but came up, I got big plans. Now they all gonna see me do the money dance.
What's good? We about to go get some fish and chips at the end of the day. Beautiful day here at Half Moon Bay. Enjoy it?
Yes.
Weather is like 26 degrees Celsius if you're watching from Australia. If not, and you're American, you're weird. And you use Fahrenheit, man, shit, I don't know how to convert it, so we're just gonna move on to the next one. Let's go. I'm definitely gonna get some potato cakes. Maybe a flake, fried flake, grilled flake. Okay.
So 4 potato cakes, the small chips. Anything else?
91!
Jeez. Secure the bag, secure the bag.
I forgot how good this place was.
Secure the goods right here. Yes, sir. Ooh. This is hitting, man. Can't lie.
Look at that German goose and toss. Wait, life's improving fast, foreign body, excuse them off. Tracksuit when I'm in ends, 8 and
So yeah, that was my first time trying to vlog on this camera, and I guess this is the outro. But stay tuned because I got some more crazy content coming to you guys. Like, this is just the beginning. I've been doing this for like 8 months to a year now, but yeah, man, just trying to level up my content ideas. We're gonna come to you with more vlogs, more fashion content, more lifestyle content. Man, you can't even think of the possibilities I'm gonna get up to, but yeah. Appreciate you watching. Hit the subscribe button. Till next time, peace.
you got a whole lot to live, why would I hold you back? I put money in your business
I
before
love the beach.
friends, all about this and that. That's a case of you dispensing, you know I get you back. Yeah, and I'll be fucking you slow.